All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. You're looking at a hard drive sander slash grinder setup. Now, I made a couple of videos before about just doing, I think it was this one a while back, just having it mounted to a piece of metal or whatnot. So I decided to redo it, add another one, and thought I would share it. So I'm just using a 12-volt power supply coming in. And I can unplug this and plug it into either one. And I'm just using a regular old 12 volt, like 5 amp power supply. And we can just use the electronic speed controller, which is under here mounted. I'll paste a link in the description to the other video where I share more information on how to do this. But I figured I'd just share it being mounted to this and how it looks now. So I just have some feet there, little pads that you would put under furniture. And if you can see down in there, there's the speed controller there to the left. Then we have the little controller. And same thing over here. Now these hard drives have the 3-prong on the back, like such. Like some of these have 4 or 3. These two here have the 3-pin ones. You can still do it with a 4-pin, but I haven't tried it yet. So luckily I just had ones with 3. Then I just soldered wires on each one of them to hook everything up. And the cord that I used was just basically some scrap leftover extension cord. And like I said, I'll put the link in the description. So this is how we turn it on. Now sometimes you might have to give these a little start. I came across this before. Once in a while they might be a little pain to start. Sorry for the noise. But as you can see here, I just made a little, put a little smooth corner on there. Now this ain't gonna work for like heavy duty jobs, but something messing around, it will grind things up pretty good. And all I did was for the sandpaper, I just took the cover off here, we'll just call it, and cut out the piece of sandpaper to fit the disc and put it back on and screwed everything down. Same way with over here. Now this is a little bit harder, thicker sandpaper, so it lays flat. This one stands up, as you can see, but it levels out once you turn it on. And the direction's going this way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.